Hi everyone, I'm Nikita Gylander, real estate broker with Core Real Estate Group. I'm here today at 125 Argentia Beach at Pigeon Lake. I've recently listed this 61-acre property just across the street from the beach. This 2.5-story home has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a cozy wood-burning fireplace. Upstairs, you'll find a hot tub with a view of the pond, and above that, there's a reading room or observatory in the steeple. Argentia Beach has a vibrant community with something for everyone. There are kids clubs for swimming, sailing, and adventure. You can take in the water sports, hike the trails of the wildlife sanctuary, or simply enjoy the shops and markets. Imagine escaping to this 61-acre oasis only an hour away from Edmonton. Staying connected to your family or business is easy with high-speed internet and satellite TV. This incredible property can be enjoyed as is, or you can take the time and plan your dream home.